Okay, just about to hook up the caravan, show you how this system works. That's the main box up there with the motor and everything in it. This white box here has got some electrical stuff in there that I've rigged up so that it operates via the remote control. Down here you'll see that I've installed a locking pin to keep the hitch easy in the open position to accept the pillar when I back up to it. That locking pin is attached to a shackle on one of the safety chains, so that I cannot forget when I hook up the safety chain I have to have that out. If I don't have that out, there's a good chance that I will not a good chance, it will happen, the caravan will jump off the tow pillar. So that has to come out when you've actually finished hooking up. Over here I've got the back ready by taking the cover off the tow pillar. So now I'll get in the truck and hopefully the two screens will show up in here. Up on top I have the secondary screen. I'll show you that. I should have showed you the camera, but I've got a camera over under the tail lights on the driver's side, which is pointing sideways at the hitch. And then with the stereo system, when I go into reverse like that, I get the main camera angle. So now I'm going to reverse up to the pillar. Bit hard to do watching the camera and the phone at the same time. Just bear with me. And you can see there that I'm directly in line with it, and you can see on the top one that I can go back a little bit further, but the caravan is too low. So now what I'll do is I'll reach over here to the side. This is the remote control, totally cordless. I'll turn it on, and I've got to make the jockey leg go down. In other words, the caravan go up. So I want the leg to extend, and I will do that while I watch the top camera or top screen. That's going up slowly. Once it clears the pillar, right there, I stop it. Now I can back up again. Stop. Just check the other camera and make sure it's right over the top of the pillar there in the fore aft one and side to side. So now I can put the remote control down, and come on, where are you? And now I can, sorry, I didn't need the remote control. Now I can lower, so I press the other button, lower the caravan down onto the pillar, and that's it. At this point I would jump out of the truck and complete the exercise. I'll do it now anyway. Just bear with me. Put the truck in park. I don't need the remote control because I can control the unit from outside as well on the face of it. So I would come out here, press the retract button on the front here. There's a retract button and a extend button, extend, retract. So I want to retract it higher up, and press that. The leg comes down, sorry, the van comes down, the leg goes up. I've also added a accessory which I cannot find here in Australia. I had to order it for America, and I can't find them again over there now. I can find them, but they won't ship to Australia. So I pull that out, and then I can lift that bottom part of the leg up into its top hole. Oh, that's hard with one hand. And now I would continue to retract it all the way, You notice here these are the 70mm long standoffs that I've put in there to raise this whole leg up by 70mm, and now underneath, looking straight across, hopefully you can see that, I can't get down much lower, the foot is completely up under the A-frame, not hanging down prone to being damaged if I go through a low crossing or something. So now it's just a case of pulling out the pin there, and that's locked in now. Now I would hook up the chains as usual and do everything else as normal. So that's about as easy as it gets. So I'm just going to unhook it again now, but I can do all that. I don't need the remote control to unhook it. That's easy enough to do here at the caravan. Alright, signing off. Hope that helps.